Ascenso, welcome back sa toang third game this first Mayor Samico Ascenso Business Cup. As you can see, andam na kayo ang atuang duha ka players karon to be played by Chiquis Triple J Monster versus Mr. Burger Triple Patties. Mga ka-Ascenso, just watch our live at Ascenso Sports Channel Facebook page, Ascenso Sports Channel Official in YouTube channel. And of course, we are inviting everyone to come here at City Covered Court to watch our live at First Mayor Samico Ascenso Business Cup. Mga ka-Ascenso, stay hype, get excited, and stay tuned because in a minute we will start the third game this evening. I'm Ruby Gabrines, Ascenso, Pagadian.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome sa tuwang third game for tonight between Cheeky's Triple J Monsters and Mr. Burger Triple Patties. Our last game for tonight's triple header para sa itong first Mayor Samico Ascenso Business Cup. As we have just witnessed our opening tip-off. Yes, maing gabi nyo tanan diya, mga ka-Ascenso. There is a gym, maing gabi mga ka-Ascenso. And sa atong live feed. And back to our ball game. Anggong with the ball. Jumper. Basket is good. Para sa Cheeky's Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Ascenso, no? Now, Sapong with the ball. Pass to Villasan. Christian Sapong. To Inso. Ball possession will remain with Mr. Burger Triple Patties. Now Christian Sapong to Villasan. Jumper. Basket is good for Dexter Villasan, mga ka-Ascenso. No, atong oras, 8 minutes and 47 seconds para sa atong first quarter. And now bola na kay Anggong. Anggong, another jumper. Nails it once again. Arnel Anggong with back-to-back jumper. Now Christian Sapong driving towards the basket. Bola recovered by Kervin Obilio, missing the layup. Jerry Ababol with the putback, mga ka-Ascenso. Richard Ababol nailing that putback. And of course, ang offensive rebound, no? And ball almost stolen by Kervin Ovilio. But there's a stepping on the line violation called by the referee. Yes, and maing gabi diya sa tuwang live feed viewers, no? Siyempre, ang naay mga sharer badge at ang basahon ng inyong mga pa-comment. Yes. Iris Joy Pangan Carrion. Shout out Carrion family. And syempre, si Genesis Holoyohoy Villarin. Shout out idol ni Jerry Holoyohoy. Number 00. Good luck. Ug sa iyang sister naglantaw sa live, Elizabeth Holoyohoy from Lanao del Norte. And there's a foul called. Christian Sapong on the free throw line right now, mga ka-Ascenso, no? Nailing the first throw. Siyempre, Christian Sapong has been the frontman, point guard of Mr. Burger Triple Patties. At offensive rebound by Maglangit. There's a miscommunication, mga ka-Ascenso. And now ball recovered by Anggong. Richard Ababol with the easy layup, mga ka-Ascenso. Maglangit on the free throw line. Driving through the basket. Block, but there's a foul, mga ka-Ascenso. So 2 free throws, no? Para kay Rogen Maglangit. And now, Gerald Alcantara checking in for the Cheeky's Triple J Monsters. Mga ka-Ascenso, for the first time tonight. Maglangit nails the first throw, mga ka-Ascenso. Rogen Maglangit. Missing the second throw. Rebound by Ray Bolotaulo. Ray Bolotaulo with the ball. Ray Bolotaulo. Pass to Kervin Ovilio. Kervin Ovilio, step back. Crossover. Blocked by Maglangit, but there's a foul. Two shots, two free throws para kay Kervin Ovilio, mga ka-Asenso, no? Atong oras karon 6 minutes and 44 seconds para sa tuwang first quarter. We have a tied score at 8, mga ka-Asenso. And of course, I will take time to announce ang opening day sa Vega Basketball League Season 2 tomorrow. Ang ilang opening night, ilang opening games is i-held dere sa Pagadian City Gym, mga ka-Asenso. Siyempre, big shoutout sa Vega Basketball League. Siyempre, love na to ang mga tao o ang mga grupo nga galab-lab po sa basketball, mga ka-Asenso. Especially here in Pagadian City, mga ka-Asenso, no? Now, Christian Sapong with the ball. Pass to Dexter Villasan to Racoma. Racoma driving, loses the handle. Ball stolen by Jerry Holoyohoy. Holoyohoy on the run, pass to Kervin Ovilio. Missing the layup but gets his offensive rebound. Now Jerry Holoyohoy with the ball. Last touch, Ronald Racoma, mga ka-Asenso, no? So the ball will stay with Shikis Triple J Monsters. Now Anggong, kick out to Jerry Holoyohoy for 3. No good. Offensive rebound by Alcantara, missing the fadeaway. Anggong with the double pump layup, mga ka-Asenso. Now Inso, ball stolen by Jerry Holoyohoy. Back-to-back steals by Jerry Holoyohoy, no? Now Kervin Ovilio still can't find his range. Bola stolen by Ray Bolotaulo. Jump shot, no good. Offensive rebound, Kervin Ovilio. And there's a traveling violation. Tinawag against Kervin Ovilio, mga ka-Asenso. So ball will go to Mr. Berger. Triple patties. And syempre, big shout-outs din kay Coach Chow Vega. Atong commissioner sa atong first Mayor Sammy Co Asenso Business Cup for being a snappy commissioner on running our league today, mga ka-Asenso. Snappy kayo. Maayo kayong pagkadala niya. Mayang gabihin mo diya, Coach. And now, on the transition offense, Arnel Anggong nailing that layup. And syempre, si Doc Rico, si Coach Doc Rico, tumawag ng timeout para sa Mr. Berger triple patties bago pa lumobo ng malaki ang Kalamangan. At habang timeout, natay shout out to Sir Joseph Sapong, proud father of Christian Sapong. Yes, yes, yes. My playmates nato sa UBL, kana si Sir Joseph Sapong. And basaw na to yung mga pa-shoutouts. Siyempre, akong igagaw si RJL. Shoutout, Lingating Family. Yan, and si Iris Joy Pangan Carion. Shoutout di ko sa akong papa, Bebe Carion. Nga iyang birthday karon nga naadri sa Balay, Maningkol, Osami City. Hi, Anggong Arnel. Yes. And once again, i-remind nako atong live feed viewers, kung gusto mo nga mabasa yung mga pa-comment and shout-outs, all you have to do is share this live feed para naamoy sharer badge, mga ka-Asenso, Pag naamoy sharer badge, mabasa nato ang inyuhang mga pa-shoutouts. Na back in the ball game, Sapong with a 3-pointer and missed it. Inso can't recover the ball. So ball will go back to Chikis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Now Kervin Novillo with the ball. Back to Anggong. Arniel Anggong. Another jumper. No good this time. Last touch, Racoma. Ball will go back with Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Kervin Novillo. And there's an offensive foul called against Ray Bolotaulo, mga ka-Asenso, no? So the ball possession will go back to Mr. Berger. Triple patties. A Christian Sapong. Pass to Rogen Maglangit. Stolen by Kervin Novillo. Now Arniel Anggong with the easy layup. And the basket is good, mga ka-Asenso. Now bola na kay Christian Sapong. Runner, no good. Gerald Alcantara with the rebound. Bola na kay Arniel Anggong. Paso Kervin Novillo for the easy layup. And now Richard Inso with the ball. 3-point shot, no good. Rebound by Kervin Novillo. And once again, Chiquis Triple Patties is on the run. Arniel Anggong nailing that layup, mga ka-Asenso. Inso to Racoma. Ronald Racoma to Christian Sapong. Christian Sapong cutting. No good. Rebound by Maglangit. To Villasan. 8 seconds on the shot clock. There's a foul. And a basket, mga ka-Asenso. And Shalimar Unakan will check in for the first time tonight para sa Triple J Monsters. And Mejorada Jerome will check in for the first time tonight para sa Chiquis Triple J Berger. Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. And Villasan missing the bonus throw. Bola karon na kay Arniel Anggong. Now Kervin Novillo with the ball. Missing the 3-point attempt. Na bola nakuha ni Sapong. Mr. Berger, triple patties on the run. Christian Sapong with the layup. Basket is good. Now on the other hand, Jerry Holoyoy on the transition. Missing the jumper. And there's a foul committed by Gerald Alcantara. And now, Donald Duhay Lungsod checks in for the first time tonight, mga ka-Asenso, no? Para sa Chiquis Triple J Monsters. With our time remaining 2 minutes and 5 seconds para sa tong first quarter. 10-point lead by Chiquis Triple J Monsters. Jerry Holoyoy to Silva. Pass to Udan. To Jerome. Jerome Mejorada, jumper. Air ball. Back to Silva. Bertmar Silva. Another air ball para sa Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso, no? And now, Edilberto Ramones. Eddie Ramones checks in. Iligan checks in for the Mr. Berger triple patties, mga ka-Asenso. Now Unakan with the runner, no good. Rebound by Duhay Lungsod. Pass to Bertmar Silva. Bertmar Silva. Pass to Udan. Underneath the basket. Pass to Mejorada, no good. Gerald Alcantara. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by Unakan. Pass to Iligan. And the ball will remain with the Mr. Burger Triple J Monsters. Petro Suizo will check in for the first time tonight para sa Chickies Triple J Monsters, mga ka-asenso, no? Maglangit, Rogen Maglangit on the low post, fouled by Bert Mars Silva, mga ka-asenso. Rogen Maglangit nails the first free throw, mga ka-asenso, no? Rogen Maglangit missing the second. Bola nakuha ni Iligan para sa triple patties. Now Laput checks in for the first time tonight para sa Mr. Burger. Iligan with 5 seconds on the shot clock. Ramones to Iligan. And there's a traveling violation called against Ace Iligan. Ball will go back to Chickies Triple J Monsters, mga ka-asenso. With only 53 seconds remaining sa ito ang first quarter. Now Duay lungsod with the ball. Pass to Suizo. Pass to Bert Mars Silva. And there's a foul, mga ka-asenso. Ball possession will remain with Chickies Triple J Monsters. Missing the three-point attempt. And the ball will go with Chickies Triple J Monsters, mga ka-asenso. Iligan to Ramones. Eddie Ramones to Ace Iligan. Ace Iligan to Unakan. To Villasan. Dexter Villasan with the jumper. Fadeaway is good. Na Bert Mars Silva to Mejorada for the jumper. And that was our first quarter, mga ka-asenso, no? Atong score 17-22, 5-point lead by the Chickies Triple J Monsters. And basaon nato inyong mga pa-shoutout, no? Si Rosalinda Maserin, shoutout ko sa asawa ni Arnel Anggong Dia, nga si Jeneline Anggong. Marjorie Clarissa Alcantara, pa-shoutout Alcantara Clarissa family po, God bless. Yes. And Marjorie Clarissa Alcantara, Nonoy Pads Alcantara, proud wifey here. And si Marjorie Clarissa Alcantara, tarungang shot dira, panoy. Yes, yes, yes. And maayong gabi, isa to ang 100 live feed viewers tonight. Kung naamoy mga pa-shoutouts, all you have to do is share this live feed, mga ka-asenso. Para naamoy sharer badge. Pag naamoy sharer badge, always nga mabasa nato ang inyong mga pa-shoutout. And back to our ball game, second quarter. And now Dami Ferraris will check in for the Mr. Burger for the first time tonight. Dami Ferraris, one of two players na na-trade from Viohua Fishers to Mr. Burger, triple patties, mga ka-asenso. Now Villasan with a scoop layup, missing it, but there's a foul, mga ka-asenso. And also Villar will check in for the first time tonight para sa Mr. Burger Triple Patties. And syempre, shout out sa mong kugihan nga assistant nga si Ma'am Joyce na adres sa kong tapad karon gatanaw sa dula. Maayong gabi ni mo diha, ma'am. And Villar will shoot the free throws. Villar with the second throw and basket is good, mga ka-Asenso, no? Now Suizo with the ball. Odan duhay lungsod. Nailing that 3-point shot, mga ka-Asenso, no? And once again, duhay lungsod with the layup. Basket is good para kay Odan duhay lungsod. A bola na kay Iligan. Pass to Villar. Villar cross-court pass to Ramones. Edilberto Ramones for 3. Mr. Burger, triple patties. Answers back, mga ka-Asenso, no? It's getting hot in here, mga ka-Asenso. Especially parami ang mga nanonood at pumapasok dito sa ating Pagadian City Gym. Watching our third game for tonight between Chiquis Triple J Monsters and Mr. Burger Triple Patties. And Odan with the assist behind the back pass to Jerome Alcantara, mga ka-Asenso, no? Iligan with the ball to Villar. Pass to Laput but stolen. And ball will remain with Chiquis Triple J Monsters. And now ball possession will remain with Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso, no? Bert Mar Silva with the ball. Suizo, tumakasling, kick out to Odan. Odan fake, another jumper. Walang mintis para kay Odan duhay lungsod, mga ka-Asenso, no? Odan duhay lungsod, a native of Tabina, 40-year-old veteran, mga ka-Asenso. And now, Petro Siso driving to the basket. Layup is good, mga ka-Asenso, no? And now, Dami Ferraris with the ball. Pass to Ramones. Ramones for 3. Can't answer back. Now, rebound by Gerald Alcantara. Gerald Alcantara. Coast to coast, but no. Pass to Bert Mar Silva. Bert Mar Silva to Odan. Odan, another fake. Driving and a runner. Basket is good. And tumawag ng timeout si Coach Rico para sa Mr. Burger Triple Patties. And ito si Odan duhay lungsod, do 100% field goal. 4 out of 4, mga ka-Asenso, including 1 3-point shot. Yes, and naaytay pa-shout out again. Hana May Mobungon Ovilio, pa-shout out watching from Kabilinan, Aurora. Good luck, Idol Kervin Ovilio. Team Chiquis, yes, yes, yes. And Marjorie Clarissa Alcantara, salamat kayo, admin. And Hadi Ponyong, shout out ko sa akong pre, Makasling Nins, best import sa Kalabuon. Tarunga o was ngay ang ring pre. Shout out po ko sa akong pre, usa nga si Jojet Tedor Pableo, founders of Tila Mangla team. Yes, yes. As we continue our ball game, our time remaining is 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Para sa second quarter, mga ka-Asenso, no? Now, Christian Sapong back in the ball game. Ferraris to Magaluwid. Val Magaluwid underneath the basket. Suizo with the ball. Bertmar Silva for 3. No good mga ka-Asenso, no? Offensive rebound by Gerald Alcantara to Hingoyon. Johansson, Hingoyon to Suizo. And there's a traveling violation mga ka-Asenso. Ball will go back to Mr. Berger, triple patties mga ka-Asenso. Now, Ace Iligan with the 3. Makasling to Gerald Alcantara underneath the basket. Now Magaluwid, 4-3. Basket is good. Back-to-back. Back-to-back 3-point shot para sa Mr. Berger triple patties mga ka-Asenso, no? Atong time remaining, 5 minutes and 20 seconds para sa second quarter. Ato score, 29-36. 7-point lead by the Chiquis Triple J Monsters. And yes, nanaputay pa shoutouts, no? Rosalinda Maserin, shoutout Sadkos, asawa ni Benjing Anggong, si Bembem Anggong. Yes, yes, yes. And maing gabi sa ato ang 100 live feed viewers, mga ka-Asenso, no? Maing gabi ninyo diya as we witness our third game for tonight between Chiquis Triple J Monsters and Mr. Berger Triple Patties, mga ka-Asenso. Ball possession by Chiquis Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Bola na kay Ninyo Makasling. Ninyo Makasling fouled. Ball possession by Chiquis Monsters. And parami pa rin ang mga nanonood, no? Dito sa Pagadian City Gym ngayon. May mga tao pa rin pumapasok. Yes, yes, yes. Daghan kayong salamat, Mayor Samico, for bringing us the first Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup, mga ka-Asenso. Lami kayo, okay kayo, nga kalingawan para sa mga Pagadianons. Now back to the ball game. Iligan to Val Magaluwid. Magaluwid missing that layup. Bola nakuha ni Makasling to Petro Suizo. Pass to Silva. Touch pass to Holoyohoy. Hingoyon missing the layup, but there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso, no? So Johansson, Hingoyon will shoot 2 free throws para sa Chiquis Monsters. Johansson, Hingoyon, good with the first throw, mga ka-Asenso. Johansson, Hingoyon for the second throw, and the basket is good. And now, Lowell Anggong will check in for the first time tonight para sa Chiquis Monsters. And natin pa-shoutout, no? Karen Ovilio Cutin, pa-shoutout from Kabilinan, Aurora. Good luck sa umanghod. Number 16, Kervin Ovilio. And Sandra Soriano. Shoutout Mr. Berger, Triple Patties, number 30, Inso. Proud mother here. Go, anak. And Karen Ovilio Cutin. Shoutout ko sa mama nga naa diha nagtanaw og taga Kabilinan. Yes, yes, yes. Now, Johansson, Hingoyon missing that layup. Makasling was there for the putback, mga ka-Asenso. Iligan can't connect to Maglangit, and a turnover And the ball will go back to Chiquis Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Now, Jerry Holoyohoy with the runner, no good. Rebound by Rogen Maglangit. Rogen Maglangit to Val Magaluwid for the easy layup, mga ka-Asenso. Now, Jerry Holoyohoy driving towards the baseline, but the ball stolen, mga ka-Asenso. Val Magaluwid to Sapong. Back to Magaluwid. Magaluwid missing the layup. Now, Jerry Holoyohoy to Luel Anggong. Fade away, no good. Rebound by Maglangit. Christian Sapong with the ball. Pass to Mr. Berger, Dexter Villasan. Villasan with the jumper, air ball. Now Jerry Holoyohoy on the run, driving towards the basket. Missing the layup, but there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso. And now Arnel Anggong will check back in for the ball game, giving Bertmar Silva a breather para sa Chiquis Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. No? A first throw by Jerry Holoyohoy is no good, mga basket is good, mga ka-Asenso. Jerry Holoyohoy, second throw, basket is no good. Rebound by Villasan. And there's a foul called against Jerry Holoyohoy. And now Shalimar Unakan will check back in para sa Mr. Berger Triple Patties, mga ka-Asenso. Now Christian Sapong with the ball, setting up the play. Dexter Villasan with the ball. Fake. Jumper. Basket is good, mga ka-Asenso. Bola na kay Jerry Holoyohoy. Pass to Anggong. Anggong to Johansson Gingoyon. Ball stolen. But recovered by Anggong. And the layup is good, mga ka-Asenso. Now Sapong, nearly stolen. But the ball will remain with Mr. Berger Triple Patties, mga ka-Asenso. And now Unakan. Villasan with the ball. Dexter Villasan driving. Ball stolen by Arnel Anggong. Pass to Johansson Gingoyon for the layup. Johansson Gingoyon nails the layup, mga ka-Asenso, para sa Chiquis Monsters. Now, Unakan to Maglangit. And there's an offensive foul called against Rogen Maglangit, mga ka-Asenso. No? So, ball possession will go back to Chiquis Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Arnel Anggong to Jerry Holoyohoy. To Anggong. With the runner, no good. Rebound by Villasan. Villasan loses the handle. Now Arnel Anggong for the layup. Now Christian Sapong with the ball. Pass to Val Magaluwid. To Maglangit. To Unakan. Unakan to Villasan. Dexter Villasan. At may foul, mga ka-Asenso. With only 29.1 seconds remaining sa tuwang second quarter. Atong score, 33-47, mga ka-Asenso. No? Unakan with the jumper. Basket is good. Now Arnel Anggong. Arnel Anggong with the ball, mga kasenso. Chris Coros, 1-2, kick out pass. Johnson Gingoyon, ball nearly stolen. Jumper. And that was our second quarter, mga ka-Asenso, no? Atong score, 35-47. Mga ka-Asenso. And stay tuned para sa tuwang third quarter, mga ka-Asenso, no? Taas-taas pa na eh. So, we'll be right back.
Mr. Burger!
Ang dating burger ng bayan!
Mr. Burger, fight! Fight! Fight!
Now, welcome back sa itong ball game, mga ka-Asenso, no? Welcome, mga ka-Asenso, para sa itong third quarter. Para sa itong third game for tonight. Chickies Monsters versus Mr. Burgers Triple Patties, mga ka-Asenso. Nang bola na kay Arnel Anggong. Anggong to Kervin Ovilio from the baseline. Layup is good, mga ka-Asenso. Now, Sapong to Racoma. To Laput. Now, another steal by Arnel Anggong with the easy layup. Arnel Anggong nailing that layup, mga ka-Asenso. Bola na kay Laput. Kick out to Christian Sapong. Another steal by Kervin Ovilio to Anggong for the easy layup, mga ka-Asenso. Atong score 35-53 in favor of Chickies Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Now Laput, kick out to Dexter Villasan. Missing the jumper. Now Jerry Holoyohoy with the ball. Pass to Ababol to Holoyohoy for the layup, mga ka-Asenso. And walang ibang magagawa si Coach Rico kundi tumawag ng timeout, mga ka-Asenso. And maayong gabi sa itong 100 live feed viewers, no, mga ka-Asenso. Keep on supporting our Asenso Sports channel. Don't forget to hit that follow button. Siyempre, Asenso Sports channel who brings you the live coverage of our first Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup. Now back to our ball game. Atong oras, 8 minutes and 8 seconds para sa itong third quarter. Christian Sapong with the ball. Pass to Racoma. To Dexter Villasan, and there's a foul committed by Jerry Holoyohoy. Ronald Racoma on the inbound, pass to Laput. Rebound by Anggong. Arnel Anggong on the run. Can't contain the handle. Pasa kay Ovilio. Ovilio to Holoyohoy. To Anggong. Kick out to Jerry Holoyohoy. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Kaburnay. Ball nearly stolen. And there's a foul just right before the shot clock violation, mga ka-Asenso. Now Alcos will check in for the first time tonight para sa Chickies Monsters. And si Eddie Ramones will check in back para sa Mr. Burger, mga ka-Asenso. Bola na kay Alcos to Anggong. And the ball will go to Mr. Burger Triple Patties, mga ka-Asenso. Pass to Maglangit. Rogen Maglangit, driving, no good. Rebound by Jerry Holoyohoy. Pass to Kaburnay. Kaburnay for 3. No good. Rebound by Dexter Villasan. Pass to Sapong. Now Sapong with the ball. Pass to Dexter. To Ramones for 3. Can't find its range, mga ka-Asenso, no? Ramones missing the 3-point shot. Now Alcos with the ball to the baseline. Kick out to Arnel Anggong. To Caburnay. For another 3. Still missing it. Another rebound para kay Dexter Villasan. A coast to coast. Pasa kay Christian Sapong. Tulapo to Villasan. Villasan underneath the basket. Blocked by Ababol, mga ka-Asenso. Now, Roger Maglangit with the reverse layup. Layup is good, mga ka-Asenso. Bola na kay Lapot. Back to Anggong. Back to Lapot. To Anggong. Back to Lapot for 3. Rebound by Richard Ababol. Richard, ball stolen by Christian Sapong. Christian Sapong on the run. Runner off the glass, no good. Rebound by Anggong to Jerry Holoyohoy. Holoyohoy for the layup. Blocked by Maglangit, mga ka-Asenso, no? And the miscommunication between Villasan and Sapong resulted to a turnover. Ball will go back to Chiquis, Triple J Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Laput with another 3, in and out. And there's a jump ball situation, mga ka-Asenso, no? Between Rogen Maglangit and Richard Ababol. Now bola na kay Arnel Anggong. Anggong to Laput. Ball stolen by Dexter Villasan. Now Christian Sapong to Villasan. Layup is good para kay Dexter Villasan, mga ka-Asenso. Now Anggong to Richard Ababol. Richard Ababol. Back to Anggong. Anggong driving through the basket. Layup in and out. Rebound by Dami Ferraris to Eddie Ramones. Ramones with a fadeaway. No good. Rebound by Richard Ababol. And nakahubo og sapatos si Arnel Anggong, no? Nabilin. Nakawarnay, nails his first 3-point shot of the night. Bola na kay Maglangit. Maglangit with the 18-footer. No good. Rebound by Arnel Anggong. Arnel Anggong. On the run. Pass to Laput. Back to Anggong. Step back. Alcos for 3. Kablam! Alcos nailing that 3-point shot. Mga ka-Asenso, no? Para sa Chiquis Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Now Dexter Villasan missing that jumper. And there's a double foul, no, na tinawag sa the both teams. And there's a timeout called by Coach Pescador. With only 2 minutes and 53 seconds remaining sa tong third quarter. Ato score, 39-61. 22-point lead para sa Chiquis Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. A near turnover, no? But the ball will remain with the Mr. Burger Triple Patties. Now Maglangit driving through the basket. Layup is no good. But there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso. So Rogen Maglangit will go to the free throw line. Maglangit nailing the first free throw, mga ka-Asenso. Offensive rebound by Dexter Villasan. Gil Villar. Now Maglangit driving, missing the layup. Offensive rebound, Maglangit. Double pump. And the basket is good, mga ka-Asenso. Bola na kay Alcos. With 9 seconds on the shot clock, Ray Bolotaulo. Step back. Jumper is good by Ray Bolotaulo. Now, Eddie Ramones to Villasan. Dexter Villasan. And there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso.
Jersey number 25, Ramones.
And medic's call para kay Dexter Villasan, which had a bleeding on his top right part of his eye, mga ka-Asenso. With only 1 minute and 49 seconds remaining sa ato ang third quarter, no? Ato score 43-63, 20-point lead para sa Chickies Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. And now Dexter Villasan is back on the court. Will shoot free throws, mga ka-Asenso. Dexter Villasan. Technical free throw is good. And ball possession will remain with Mr. Burger Triple Patties, mga ka-Asenso. And Villar missing the three-point attempt. Rebound by Villar. Blocked. Kick out to Maglangit. Roger Maglangit, turn around, fade away. Basket is good. Now Bert Marsilva with the ball. Pass to Ray. Ray Bolotaro on the post. Back to Caburnay. With 8 seconds on the shot clock. Ray Bolotaulo for 3. In and out, mga ka-Asenso, no? And now Iligan with the ball para sa Mr. Burger. Pass to Hill. Wellar. Pass to Rogen. Rogen with a fadeaway. No good. Ball stolen by Alcos. Now Gerald Alcantara with the ball. Driving through the basket. Layup is no good. Rebound by Unakan. Now Ace Iligan with the ball. And there's a foul called against Bert Mars Silva, mga ka-Asenso. With only 31 seconds remaining sa tuwang third quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Iligan will shoot 2 free throws, nailing the first. Ace Iligan, mga ka-Asenso. Ace Clinson Iligan. Second throw. Basket is no good. A rebound by Ray Bolotaulo. Now Bert Marsilva with the ball. Driving towards the basket. Pass to Gerald Alcantara. To Ray Bolotaulo for 3. Still no good, mga ka-Asenso. Now Iligan with the ball. Triple Patties on the run. And the clock runs out, mga ka-Asenso, no? And that was the end of our third quarter. Ato score, 47-63. 16-point lead para sa Chickies Triple J Monsters. Yo, shout out kay Genesis Soloyohoy Villarin. Yan, shout out diay sa akong ka-teammate sa Route 80, no? Si Boss Porter Wong is watching right now. Yes, Leah. pa-shout out sa akong pamilya, Taruk family nga naglantaw sa dula ni number 25 RR Reyes Ababol from Manila. Proud GF here. Yes, yes, yes. And maayong gabi sa ato ang 60 live feed viewers as we all welcome you to our fourth and final quarter of our third game for tonight between Mr. Burger Triple Patties and Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga kasenso. Bola sa Triple Patties. Rogen for 3, no good. Rebound nakuha ni Ramones. Ferrares to Sapong, back to Dami. Dami Ferrares. Missing the jumper, mga kasenso. Na bola na kay Holoyohoy. Paso Johnson Gingoyon. Ray Bolotaulo. Tumakasling. Kick out to Holoyohoy. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Bert Mar Silva with the jumper. No good. Rebound by Ferraris. Pass to Val Magaluwid. Val Magaluwid with the floater. Missing it.
Jersey number 5, Magaluwid, 45. Magaluwid, second personal foul. First team foul.
And now, bola sa Chiquis Triple J Monsters, mga kasenso, no? Bert Mar Silva, pass to Ray Bolotaulo on the low post. Faking. Pass to Holoyohoy. Holoyohoy with the layup, mga kasenso. Now, Val Magaluwid. Val Magaluwid on the layup. And the basket is good, mga kasenso. Val Magaluwid nailing that layup, mga kasenso. Just 14-point lead by Chiquis Triple J Monsters with still 8 minutes and 20 seconds sa ito ang fourth and final quarter. Ball stolen by Rogen. Pass to Val Magaluwid for the easy layup. And now back to our ball game. Bola na kay Johnson Gingoyon to Ray Bolotaulo on the low post. Pass to Makasling. Blocked by Rogen Maglangit, but there's a foul. So Makasling. Nino Makasling will go to the free throw line. And si Idol, no, si Odando ay lungsod, mubalik na po sa dula. Yes, yes, yes. 100% field goal pa rin, wala pang mintis. Odando ay lungsod.
Jersey number 8, Maglaban, fourth personal foul. Second team foul.
Now Makasling, second throw, nails it. Ronald Racoma to Dami Ferraris. Dami Ferraris, baseline drive. Fade away. But there's a traveling violation against Dami Ferraris, mga ka-asenso, no? Dami Ferraris, a former teammate of mine sa UBL, in which we had our championships, Team CTG, before. Silva to Duay Lungsod to Ray Bolotaulo. Ray Bolotaulo, turnaround. Fade away, no good. Rebound by Val Magaluwid. And there's a foul by Odan Duay Lungsod.
Jersey number 8, Agua. For jersey number 14, Seba. Duane Lungsod, first personal foul.
Now ball will remain with Mr. Burger Triple Patties. Bola na kay Ronald Racoma. Ronald Racoma to Christian Sapong. Christian Sapong to Racoma. And there's a traveling violation called against Ronald Racoma. Atong oras, 7 minutes and 18 seconds remaining sa atong fourth and final quarter. Atong score, 53-66. 13-point lead by Chiquis Monsters, mga ka-asenso. Now Anggong to Holoyohoy. Back to Arnel Anggong. Back to Holoyohoy. Jerry Holoyohoy for 3. No good. Rebound. Stolen by Duhay Lungsod. Jumper, fade away, no good. Val Magaluwid with the ball. 4, fast break. Layup is no good. Ball recovered by Jerry Holoyohoy. Now on the run. Arnel Anggong, step back. Pass to Bolotaulo. Bolotaulo with the jumper. Basket is good. And now Christian Sapong. Pass to Racoma. Racoma for 3. No good. Now long pass to Anggong. Anggong for the layup. Basket is good. And now, Coach Rico will call a timeout para sa Mr. Burger Triple Patties mga ka-Asenso with 6 minutes and 13 seconds remaining sa atong 4th quarter. Atong score, 53-70. 17-point lead by Chiquis Monsters, mga ka-Asenso, no? Now back to our ball game as we are entering our final 5 minutes of our ball game. Ang bola na kay Christian Sapong. Christian Sapong to Dami Ferraris. Tumaglangit, nails the layup mga ka-Asenso. Na ang bola na kay Arnel Anggong to Jerry Holoyohoy to Ray Bolotaulo on the low post. Posting. Cross-court pass to Odan. To Makasling. Kick out to Holoyohoy for 3. Kablam! Jerry Holoyohoy making that 3-point shot mga ka-Asenso. Extending the lead of Chiquis Triple J Monsters. And now Anggong on the transition offense. Off the steal of Odan Duhay Lungsod mga ka-Asenso. Now Richard Sapong with the ball. Pass to Dexter Villasan. Villasan to Dami Ferraris to the cutting Villasan. And there's a foul mga ka-Asenso. Villasan to Magaluwid. Magaluwid for 3. No good. Rebound by Ferraris. Block by Makasling. And now ang bola na kay Jerry Holoyohoy. Holoyohoy with the ball. Pass to Makasling. To Donald Duhay Lungsod. For 3. Odan Duhay Lungsod. Another 3-point shot. Mga ka-Asenso. And Dexter Villasan, layup block by Makasling. And now Jerome Mejorada checks back in the ball game for Makasling, mga ka-Asenso. Rogen Maglangi to Val Magaluwid for the layup, missing it. Now Duhay Lungsod with the layup, basket is good. Mga ka-Asenso, with only 3 minutes remaining sa tong 4th and final quarter, at the score 55-80, 25-point lead by Chiquis Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. Now Lapot with the scoop shot, layup is good. Now Jerry Holoyohoy with the ball. Arnel Anggong with the jumper, no good. Rebound by Holoyohoy. Missing it. Rogen Maglangit with the rebound. The pass to Val Magaluwid. Pass is too low. Mga ka-Asenso. And Coach Pescador calls a timeout para sa Chiquis Monster. Atong oras, 2 minutes and 29 seconds remaining sa atong fourth and final quarter. Ato score, 57-80 in favor of Chiquis Monsters, mga ka-Asenso. And now, back to the ball game. Arnel Anggong to Ray Bulutaulo, mga ka-Asenso. On the low post. Pass to Mejorada. Mejorada drives through the basket and there's a foul.
Jersey number 22, Velega Yusufa, awarding 2 shots. Jersey number 22, Binyasan.
Mejorada shooting 2 free throws. Nailing the first throw, mga ka-Asenso, no? Jerome Mejorada. Jerome Mejorada nails both free throws, mga ka-Asenso. Now Christian Sapong with the ball. Pass to Inso. Richard Inso missing it. Offensive rebound by Villasan, no good. Layup. Now rebound na kay Bulutaulo. Now Ray Bulutaulo with the ball. Pass to Anggong. To Odan. Odan do ay lungsod. Driving through the basket. Turn around. Layup is good, mga ka-Asenso. Veteran move by Odan do ay lungsod.
Jersey number 2, double foul. Roll down. 5 fouls.
Now Inso for 3. No good. Offensive rebound by Dexter Villasan and there's a foul, mga ka-Asenso. Called against Jerome Mejorada.
Mejorada, first personal foul. Short team foul.
Now Laput with the ball. Kick out to Inso. Inso missing the 3-point attempt. Long pass. Mejorada to Anggong. Now Anggong to Anggong brothers on the move. Arnel Anggong to Luel Anggong, mga ka-Asenso, no? Wellar for 3. No good. Now Suizo to Anggong. To Odan, Duhay Lungsod. To Mejorada. Now Laput with the ball. Inso for 3. Can't nail it, mga ka-Asenso, no? And the Chiquis Triple Monsters will wind the clock down, mga ka-Asenso. With the unquestionable lead of 29 points, mga ka-Asenso. And the Chiquis Monsters will win this game, mga ka-Asenso, no? And the winner of our third game, Cheeky's Monsters, score 88-57. And that's it, mga ka-Asenso, no? Dagang salamat sa pagsuporta sa itong first Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup. See you after Holy Week break. We'll be back shortly, mga ka-Asenso. And good evening.
Hello mga Kasenso, and of course, we are back and we are done in our third game this evening. So as you can see, ang ato ang third game mga ka-Asenso, played by Chikis Triple J Monster versus Mr. Burger Triple Patties. And as you can see, nasa kong kilid karon ang ilahang player of the game, Sir Anggong. Sir, maayong gabi.
Ngayong gabi, ma'am.
Sir, sa kadagang dula na sa Chikis, sa sige na mo kadaog, unsa imuhang gibati nga ikaw ang ilahang player of the game karong gabi una?
Unang-una sa tanan no, nagpasalamat ko sa Ginoo sa proteksyon niya ngayong gihatag kanamo, bisan pa sa mga kontra wala na injury. Salamat sa kusog. Kanang salamat sa protection Ginoo nga mamigilayo sa mga injury o disgrasya. Ako nagpasalamat ko pag-ayo ako na best player of the game. Ako nalipay og ayo. Nalipay ko kay sa kadagan mo maayo modula din tapos ako may kuan buinas nga pagkatirada.
Ikaw mo na buenasan karong dula sir no? Mas hindi sunod dula ikaw pag mas buenas.
Mayo unta, mayo.
Bitaw sir unsa man imuhang nabati nga nakontra ninyo ang Mr. Burger Triple Patties?
Kuan nakulbaan tapos kuan lami sa game, nag-focus lami sa depensa tapos opensa pod. Diyan pato sa coach pod sa istorya sa coach.
And of course, ang iyong score 88 versus 57 in favor of Chikis Triple J Monster. So sir, imo na gyud ning panahon no para mo shout out ka sa imong mga pamilya, friends, and of course supporters sa Chikis Triple J Monsters.
Shout out deko sa akong pamilya karon na sa Amua sa Muntay Kulambugan. Akong pamilya Anggong, akong mama, akong anak, akong asawa, tapos akong mga pamilya tanan diyon. Kauban ako sa trabaho sa Pantalan sa Osamis, Port Police, Istacom. Ako mga amigos sa Kulambugan o ako mga kauban o sa Triple J o sa Chikis. Salamat boss Bulo Taulo o Ginger. Salamat.
Dagan kayong salamat Sir Anggong o congratulations sa imo og sa tibuok Chikis Triple J Monster. Sunod pa nagkita sir, sunod interview puhon sa balik dula na to karong April 11. Dagang salamat Sir Anggong og maayong gabi. And mga ka-Asenso, we are done in our third game this evening. First Mayor Samiko Asenso Business Cup second round. Mga ka-Asenso, kita-kits na balik sa April 11, 2023 sa ato ang sunod gadula sa First Mayor Asenso Business Cup. And of course, shout out to all my family at EOC and to all the production team here at Asenso Business Cup. And of course, mga ka-Asenso, shout out ko to my Blush Spa and Aesthetic family. Mga ka-Asenso, let's get tuned, get hype, and get excited to the next round on April 11, 2023. I'm Ruby Gabrines. Maayong gabi ka na tong tanan, Asenso Pagadian.